Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. 2026 Sports Show, Northwest. It's the 5th day of March. And it's 2026, and we're going to hope you enjoyed the other ones. But this is a big show. They got all kinds of stuff here. It goes a long ways. You kind of see over here, way down there. I know scamps are here. There's all kinds of fuss. There's fishing. So we're going to go a bunch of videos for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. We're going to Chicago. I don't know what kind of videos we get done there on the train, but anyways, welcome to the series here. Here we go. It was free to get in because I'm an old man. So this one's one of these bad boys. I don't know. I just don't. I get it, but I like this up here. I think it's kind of cool. Doesn't say how much it costs. Just says, oh, there it is. 190,000. I could get a truck and pull behind for 120. Sorry. Well, now it's 131. I'm sorry, but I'm sorry, but I'm not paying that. Kind of a nice one right here. Show price 40 grand for this bad boy. I'm telling you right there, you can get that and you get a truck. I like the grill right here. Kind of nice. I like that. Let's see good colors there in this time around. The storage area.
Be in a fireplace. I'd rather storage. Yeah.
What's real good there is storage right there. That's what I would use. I'd pull that stuff out and use it for storage. That's what I would do. That'd be for my motorcycle, my golf clubs.
There's no way you'd want to be making those beds.
Right. So I would pull that out tomorrow if I bought it, and I'd put your golf clubs in there and your bikes, everything else.
Yeah.
So
Well, that's a halfway decent bathroom.
Yep.
Yeah.
Nice. I like the color. It's not that ugly brown. But it's a nice kitchen. Nice. Not bad at all. So this is a nice bed here. So not bad at all. Anyways, let's go down here real quick. These things are. Oh, look at this bad boy.
You have to save your pennies up for this one.
I wouldn't buy it. I'd rather get a pull behind a pickup truck if you're gonna get that.
Absolutely.
It's a waste of good suffering. There you go. You guys all know I like the small ones. This is my type right here. No storage area, but this is mine right here. This is fine for me. I mean, it's what did it say here? 22 grand, not bad. No storage for my bike and golf club, but that's not bad. Again, it's all you really need anyways. Sleep right here, whatever, and have the time of your life. So not bad. You got a shower in there, so not bad. Small little getaway one right here. That's all it is. No pullouts. Pullouts are a waste of time. There's one thing go wrong with them. So that's a. Oh, I'm sorry. Show price 13 grand. No, sorry, I was wrong. 2026. That's perfect size right there. Just we should have storage. A lot of people are the first day of it. This one is big, 83,000. They got stairs in it. Go ahead. That's not too bad. But I know we got Scampus here. So I saw that. I was here last time. So this is kind of a cool one. This is Hilltop Camper. What do you think, huh? This is not that icky puke brown they usually have. So, not bad. Gives you kind of roomy. I like it. Not bad. $37,000, not bad. Nice big bed over there. Not bad. Nice kitchen. Nice layout. Not bad. Just to get these bigger ones, I tell you, get them looked at. It's amazing. Talked before, I'll say this over and over again. So these big suckers right here. That's a big bastard right there. Those are like these grills right here. This one's kind of nice. Let's say $44,000. I like this. I see. I like this color. Not bad. You all know we bitched before on the other one. You know, the ugly ass colors will make you want to bin. So they want 44 grand for this pig right now. Show price minus discount, 45 grand out the door. Not bad. I like it. Got a nice layout. When you eat, look out the window. Got a nice TV. You can watch me. Got your bird feeder. You can shower in the shower at Penn State. Nice workbench. Not bad at all. Not bad. I'd buy this one. As long as there's no rollouts. I don't need any rollouts. Get on here. Holy moly. Now these ones are the big rollout ones. And then they have the stairs, which I don't understand why. I just don't get it. But I like, I don't know. But I don't like rollouts. I just think it's one more thing to go wrong with it. So nice kitchen, not bad. But I don't want to walk upstairs when you're a retired old man like me. So great day for take a day off. Beautiful. My regular parking spot was taken $20 a day, but I would have blocked down with $16. So free to get in, no money, no grr. Have the money already be paid. There we go. Oh no. That's kind of a cool shower. Nice. Not too bad of a layout. If you wanted to, you could take that couch up. If you really want, you don't really care. And put your storage right in there. Not too bad. I can stand in here. No problem. 47,000, I guess. Well, nope, 34,000. Alliance Delta ML206. So, again, make sure you get these things looked at before you go any farther with them. Go down the stairs here. But there's all kinds of them here. Fishing shows and you name it. Here's the smaller ones right here. Someone's in that one. That's like a 30 grand for that little small bastard. This one's 18 grand. 191 a month. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is you and a kid or something, I guess. I mean, I don't know. It'd probably be my storage area for something up here. My golf clubs, I guess, and fishing rod. I guess, because there's the only one be sleeping on that one. Jesus, look at that. Oh my goodness. You can shower in that shower, but I don't know. Whoa, your head on that thing is. I don't know, room in there.
Well, yeah.
Tall old folk like me.
Yeah.
Knock some sense into me. Nice little grill here. Yeah. Huh. Not bad. An ugly brown. It's a nice little workbench. You got storage area right here. Not bad. You can watch me and sit right with your spouse and eat. And refrigerator. Nice little shower. That's nice. Sit here and cook your meals and wherever else. And all right. Perfect. All right. Oh God, this one over here. It's the poop brown. Yeah, I like it, but yeah, it's poop brown. No. Storage area. But I guess if you got kids, I get it. And the bathroom's right there. The pantry. There it is. With the ugly brown. Another day in Whoville, right? What the hell? Yeah, these are big shows. We always have these at this time in March. I'm going to Chicago. That'll be the next little adventure on the Amtrak train. Looking forward to that.
Oh, you're Zach. I'm Marianne.
So, there's some more down there, but not a real big deal. There's so much to see here. $10,000 in savings, 12 grand, not bad. Nice little area here. Yeah, this is here. Here it is. Here's mine right here. I'd out the door, closing. That'd be taken out. They can have it. All my stuff, my sleeping, my storage, right here. This is my baby right here. Right here. Refrigerator, and it's a nice shower. Nice. I like this one. I like it. I can handle this one. A little AC. It's Cowport approved, man, right here. So again, I can buy this, get a truck, and I can be on the road for 80 grand. I like that. That's nice. So that's nice. Here's the big dogs. Oh, I remember that when I was in the last show. I mean, I get it. All this behavior, puke brown, this behavior. But anyways, this is just ugly as hell. Poop brown. I don't get it. But anyways, let me go up here. Nice shower. Got the washer and dryer. Nice. Big ass bed. So you have another bathroom back in here. And then this would be my storage area if I'm going to buy this pig, which I'm not going to buy this pig. This would be my storage area. Get rid of that crap. But I don't like the stairs. But this is somewhere if you're going to be for a month at a time. If you want to buy this, I get it. But I don't want stairs going up and down. Anyways, guys, round one's in the books, all right? 2026, Northwest, okay?